Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear brake pads on a Toyota RAV4. First, gather your tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and new brake pads. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on the rear wheels before lifting the car. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear throughout the process. This ensures a smooth and secure repair. Once the wheel is off, you'll see the brake caliper. Remove the two bolts holding the caliper in place. These are usually located on the back of the caliper. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor and hang it securely, avoiding strain on the brake line. Now, you can easily remove the old, worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. Inspect the rotor for any damage. Before installing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. A C-clamp or a specialized tool works best for this. Insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit snugly. Slide the caliper back over the rotor and reinsert the guide bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, put the wheel back on and lower your vehicle. After everything is reassembled, pump your brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This helps reset the caliper piston and restores proper brake pressure. Check your brake fluid reservoir and add more if the level is low. For an easier home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Then, take a careful test drive at low speeds to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.